Tigresa Higari, but unfortunately, I am a Lucky Star character, but I prefer to be kind of different, like made-up kind of people. So, my name is Tigresa Ayane. I used to be Tigresa Higurashi Tagashi until, I guess, the leader kicked me out of her family, well, our clan. So, pretty funny though. They're out to get me. But my auntie Toxic Snow, she's very nice, she's very bright, she's super sweet, she's cool. It's time for us Anna people to stand. I know all of us, we just don't know how to connect to each other. It's time to connect on YouTube now. And then let us know so we can all add each other and have a great big Anna family. We need to let all the new Anna members and anybody that has been online since April through this till now, we shall add them and they will be a part of us. And, you know, get people to talk to us. We can have a great time and stuff. I mean, I'm sick and tired of being bored and nobody's online. Come on now. We want to see new people and stuff. We want to meet different people. Aren't you guys sick and tired of the real world? You know what? Go to all the people here now who don't have animated profiles. Make one. It's like worth it. I mean, it's life. You can do anything on there. Well, some of the stuff I don't do, but okay, you can have fun. You can be random. You can roleplay like crazy, and it'll be like so fun. I mean, and if you're a guy and you're kind of a pervert, you can have sex and roleplay. You can have kids. You can have a family. You can be married. You can like make a marriage, and you can invite people. It's so fun to be animated. And my mom is always tripping about me, like, why are you listening to those Japanese music and all that stuff? I was like, Mom, it's Anna. Come on out, it's me. I can't stay 1 hour without role playing because I am animated. I said it. I am animated. I am not real life. This is just a standardized look, but I am fun. Everybody's fun. You should meet people. Anybody who is animated or wants to be animated, send me a comment right now, right here. And if you can't, subscribe your email to your Yahoo, then go on your Yahoo and go to click here, and you can upload a video, anything, send comments, anything. So, anybody, you know, get a hold of me. We'll talk and stuff. Add everybody. Let all your friends know this is a serious video for animated people. I'm not joking. It's gonna be like, wow, let's meet each other. I'm not even joking. And anybody who doesn't have a roleplay animated course or whatever, make one. Send me a comment right freaking now. Send me it now, and we can talk to each other and stuff. It'll be so cool. I'm not even joking. So go send a comment right now, right here, while I'm talking my big brain out, and just send a comment, send something. I want to get to know you, and we don't have to be bored. We can be bored together. And I bet you, I swear, I will make this. Anybody know Chatsy? I know you do. Anybody knows Chatsy? Well, you freaking right now, you send your email on my YouTube right now so I can add you, and we can like have total fun. I'm not joking. I put all your friends and you too on Chatsy, and we can have so much fun. I'm not joking. So, love you.